Hey, Dewey McDonald here at Guaranty RV at our show here in Albany. We have a nice little Rockwood tent trailer, 231 is the model number. So they're pretty simple, you know. So they fold down, obviously the top folds down, it's flat, so they're easy to pull with a small utility vehicle or, you know, a little small truck. So the canvas opens up, we got double beds on each side. You got an awning out the side here, little grab handle. I mean, you know, said this is actually a pretty good size one, so you actually have a little slide out on this side with the dinette here, so that kind of opens it up a little better. And then here's your door, they storage up on top. And this particular one has a little bathroom, and your shower curtain goes around you here, so you can take a shower. There's your cooktop, refrigerator. So you've got beds on both sides. You know, canvas zip up, you know, they got the screens on there so no bugs and stuff come in. I mean, you know, it's they're pretty basic, but it's better than sleeping on the ground. You got like a tent on wheels, I mean, really is what it is. But you got a heater, you know, I mean, you got all the necessities. Cooktop. So like I said, they're pretty simple, but they fold down to flat. That's the key of them. So they're easy to tow. And Rockwood makes a bunch of different ones. So fantastic fan in here. But if you're looking for something small where you can tow easy, I mean, these are perfect for you. They have different sizes. But I sell fifth wheels, toy haulers, trailers, you name it. Come see me, Dewey McDonald, Guaranty RV.